Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and on this guide I'm going to show you how to generate the CSS in Elementor. And there are many problems with the Elementor cache also as well, which is not only on the cache, but it's on the optimizations that Elementor suggests you to do to improve your performance, but it actually kind of mess up your CSS and you don't see the changes on the live website. So right now I'm in my Tesla, I'm charging it for about 15 minutes and I have time, so I'm doing this. So let me show you how to fix those issues. Okay, so first of all, the bug that I figured out was because of the Elementor features that are supposed to improve your performance with Elementor. So the improved CSS actually broke my design in my page, as you will see right now if I log in to this specific user. As you see right here, this is supposed to be an accordion feature with using Elementor, which are of course broken and the design doesn't work. In here we're supposed to be photos. So as you can see, it doesn't display it. What I've done is just going inside Elementor settings, and right here below Features tab, you will see that you have the improved CSS loading active. Now, when I inactivate it, you can see after saving the changes that this page will be displayed as it's supposed to be on the design. So let's see now. If I log in again to the user that's supposed to see the restricted content, that will be the accordion and the images after connection, right now it's working fine. And after I've inactivated the improved CSS feature, it looks great. This is how it's supposed to be actually. So the photos are displayed and the accordion is displayed right, and of course working as well, as you can see right here. So if you have also a difficulty using Elementor when the user doesn't see the right design and it's broken, this might solve your problem. So this is how you do it. You just inactive the features in Elementor that are supposed to help your performance and actually break your design. As you saw, it's very easy to solve those problems in Elementor and unplug those optimizations that Elementor suggests you to do, and those things are messed up with your CSS. If you have any more questions, you can write out in the comments below and I will comment, and on the first comment I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.